Hi, I'm Jesse from Dr. PC Fix, and today we're going to talk about the most exciting new form of storage technology, solid-state and hybrid-state storage. Solid-state drives use flash technology to retain data in special types of memory instead of on disks or tape. Solid-state storage uses non-volatile memory to emulate mechanical storage devices, but solid-state storage is much faster and more reliable than mechanical storage because there are no moving parts. USB flash drives come in several form factors, including thumb drives and pen drives. Data storage capacities may vary from 128 megabytes to 128 gigabytes or even larger. Data transfer rates also vary from 700 kilobits per second to 28 megabits per second for read operations and 350 kilobits per second to 15 megabits per second for write operations. Flash memory-based disks do not need batteries, allowing makers to replicate standard disk drive form factors, 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch. These are extremely fast, since those devices have no moving parts, which eliminates seek time, latency, and other electromechanical delays inherent in conventional disk drives. Solid-state drives can be configured within systems to replace traditional computer hardware, such as disk drives, optical drives, and network security appliances that include firewall and routing functions. Compact flash memory cards are compact and typically used in portable devices including digital cameras, music players, and photo printers. They hold 100 gigabytes or more and have 50-pin contact. Transfer speeds of up to 66 megabits per second are possible. Newer versions of CF cards offer speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Smart media cards are flash memory cards that are similar in size to CF cards. They can hold up to 128 megabytes and transfer speeds at 8 megabits per second. Smart media cards are used in digital cameras, smart media or SD cards. XD picture cards are flash memory cards that are also designed for digital cameras. They can hold up to 2 gigabytes with plans for up to 8 gigabytes. Data transfer rates range from 4 to 15 megabits per second for read operations and from 1.3 to 9 megabits per second for write operations. SD, or secure digital, memory cards are available in several capacities up to 2 terabytes. They're often found in laptops, digital cameras, and smartphones. Data transfer rates range from 10 megabits per second to 20 megabits per second. Lastly, solid-state hybrid drives combine the best features of solid-state and magnetic data storage by combining the traditional rotating platters of a magnetic hard drive and a small amount of high-speed flash memory on a single drive. Now you're aware of all the different types of solid-state and hybrid storage options. Thanks for watching.